Hey gardeners, Amy here with Garden Up. Today I want to talk about weeding in the fall. So today is December 2nd. We've finally got all of our clients' yards cleaned up and put to bed, getting ready for winter, and I finally get to do my own. Yay! And I'm finding a bunch of little tiny, on the surface, little tiny grass weeds that are still in this area that we just cut the sod off of. So I could leave these in the ground and go in and have some hot chocolate and forget about it until spring. But if I do that, they're going to take all winter and these roots are going to get even bigger because plants go dormant on the surface in the winter, but underneath the soil, they're not dormant. They use that time to grow their roots and get established even more. So if you can weed anything before winter, you should do it because you'll have so much less work in the spring. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here today in my own garden, and hopefully you can do the same in yours. Thanks for watching. If you liked this content and you want some more gardening videos like this, remember to hit subscribe down below and like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or suggestions for future gardening videos. I'll see what I can put together for you. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you in the garden.